Welcome to Ecom Geeks, where we answer your Shopify questions, review your site, and give away free resources to help improve your store. Speaking of which, make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video for this week's freebie. If you have a question or a site you'd like reviewed, you can do so on our website. Your question or store could be featured next. Also, make sure to subscribe to be notified when we post new content. Now, onto today's video. Today we're going to be talking about how to get rid of that pesky Powered by Shopify link at the bottom of your store. So to start off, we're going to go to the back side of our store. We're going to go down to Online Store, which is automatically going to bring us to Themes. Now, whatever our active theme is, we're going to click on Actions, and we're going to click on Edit Languages. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to search for Powered. This is the keyword for Powered by Shopify, and this is the fastest way to find it within the language settings. So the one that we want is this one here. You can find it within the checkout and systems under links, but it's very difficult. There's a lot of information there. To get rid of it, simply press space once, and there you go. Make sure you click Save. And let's take a look at the front side of our store to make sure that change actually updated. So let's refresh the page. There we go. It's completely gone. The only thing there is our own home link. And that is how to get rid of the Powered by Shopify link at the bottom of your store. Before you go, don't forget to head over to our website to claim this week's freebie. While you're there, feel free to submit a question or a link to your store for us to review. Your question or site could be featured next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.